Hey guys, it's Karen Mayer. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a CB Automator review. This is a new product out. You might have seen it in your inbox and wondered what it's all about, if it's going to help you make money or not. I'm going to give you a walkthrough here in just a minute, but before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well. Just to let you make an informed buying decision if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. That being said, again, this is the CB Automator review. What exactly is the CB Automator? It's a Warrior Plus product, and basically it's a WordPress plugin with 30 ClickBank product review articles that are already done for you. The creator is Ankar Shukla, and he is a very accomplished internet marketer. He has a lot of products, and he does very, very well for himself. The cost of the CB Automator is $17 for one license, and then $26 for unlimited license. And then there's an upsell for the Pro. That's $47. I'm going to show you here in just a second what that includes because there's a lot. And then the second one is the CB Automator monthly content, and that's $27 a month. So you get, like, I think it's 30 articles a month, and then they have hosting and site set up. But the CB Automator Pro, this is everything that it contains. SEO tags to your articles and automatically builds backlinks, turns your articles into PDFs, and shares those on your social networking sites. And this one does have the content spinning for reviews, and one turn articles into videos. And then you can upload these videos onto YouTube just with one click. Add free offers and opt-in forms to your site so you can build your list from your site automatically. Unlimited email leads on your site, and turn specific keywords into affiliate links automatically and earn commissions. So that's what the Pro is. Let's take a look at the plugin here. So basically you do just like you would do any other plugin. Just click on New, and then, not New there, Plugins here, Add New, and then you would install it. So we'll go down here. What you're going to see then is the settings, and there's several different things across the top here you can see. And I did get the Pro, but you can see that you can dictate how many articles you want to import every day or every other day, or whatever frequency you would like. And then you can select the article category, import and a featured image, yes, add tags, yes. So they do that automatically, the plugin does. And then you add your ClickBank affiliate ID. And these are some traffic settings and video creation. And then this one, like I said, I got the Pro, so this will spin new reviews. So that's the first thing. Then you do the visual settings. You'll do HTML code. Add your own HTML. You could do like Google AdSense or anything like that. You can add banner ads. And then sharing to your social media. Of course, you'll have to put your keys in here. And then you've got traffic in here. These were the backlinks of the Pro. So you got to put your API index in here. I haven't done that yet. And then you got your spinners here. Video is, you have to get an account with Azon Video Maker. You can put an opt-in form and related ads. You could put related ads on there as well, like having to do with Amazon. But if we scroll down here, the monthly content, like I said, was $27 a month. So you can purchase that from the plugin here. Then you've got your lead. It'll store unlimited amount of leads here. That's for the Pro. And then you can integrate any autoresponder that they have listed here: Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, MailChimp, Constant Contact, SendReach, Active Campaign, SendLane, MailIt plugin, and MyMailIt. So those are the autoresponders that are integrated in with this plugin. So let me show you what it actually looks like. So if we go to CB Automator, I already imported 2 reviews, but I'll just go ahead and do another one. And actually all these products are really good ClickBank products. So it's not just a bunch of products that I wouldn't be promoting anyway. So if we do force import, it doesn't take very long, and then you can see that there's YouTube Secrets review is here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. And I thought it was really good as far as the content, because I've gone to Fiverr before and had people do reviews for me, write a review, and they're just not good. Same thing on some of the other sites that I've hired people. I would get it back and I was like, oh, that's not very good at all. And this is very good. I mean, it's got images. Of course, when they click on any of these text here, it'll take you, because you add your ClickBank affiliate ID, so that it'll take you to your affiliate ID. When they purchase it, you'll get credit for it. So you can see they list the advantages and disadvantages, and then a call to action at the end. I really liked, let me show you these other 2. This one I thought was really good as well. Just how it's all laid out. And then each one does have a video, if you choose to have that, which I think is really good. Advantages and disadvantages. And then the 12-minute affiliate review I thought was really good as well. You got graphics, and it's just very easy to read. And like I said, the text is really good. So I was very impressed by this plugin. So I would say the pros of the CB Automator is it's low cost. You got your 30-day money-back guarantee. I think it's beginner friendly. Really, the only thing you have to know how to do is install a plugin, and that's not difficult at all. There's no work involved in creating the reviews at all. Potential to make some good money with this plugin in your WordPress site. He made over $1,200 in a month, and his students that he had try this plugin made $50 to $100 a week. So I thought that was good. And you can automatically share these reviews on your social media sites. There's something that you click in there and it shares it to all your social media sites. I would say there wasn't really anything I could find wrong with it, other than the fact you have to create your own WordPress blog and get hosting. You obviously have to have that first. And if you don't get the Pro, I would recommend that you would change some things up or spin the content to avoid duplicate content. So it's not automated if you get just the basic, but you do get the spinning if you get the Pro, because if you're going to have duplicate content, you're not going to rank in Google as well. So those are really the only things that I saw with it. I thought, like I said, I'm really impressed by it. So I would recommend CB Automator. Hope you guys found some value from this review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Romero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.